South Florida, it's Air Cooling Supreme's 5th anniversary, and we are giving away a huge 30% discount to South Florida residents from Dade County to Indian River County. Plus, it's springtime again. AC Supreme knows you're hot and heating, and the sun is giving you a beating. And your air conditioner might be cheating, so why take the defeating? Get up, stand up, put a feet in, and please call AC Supreme 9to-5-4-300-5873 for our amazing 30% off spring sale on all sales and services. Call us now, 954-300-5873 to get this deal. AC Supreme, keeping Florida cool, one home at a time. Call us now, 954-300-5873.